Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, welcome. My name is Karen. So I just want to start off by saying Happy New Year's and welcome to all the new subscribers that have been subscribing. I really appreciate the support. Um, I have not been vlogging. I've been sick. I've not with the virus, just like runny nose for like 2 days, and then just not feeling well overall. My hip pain started to increase, and I guess it's all, since I'm getting towards the end of my pregnancy, I'm getting, more symptoms, and I am older, so my other pregnancies, I don't remember them being this bad. So I'm definitely feeling this pregnancy. And then I got my wisdom teeth taken out, so I'm still recovering from that. My mouth still feels a little sore, so been trying to avoid talking and just trying to get some rest. So baby is super active. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys excuse me, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys my postpartum must-haves. And some of these things that I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to be trying for the first time, but just showing you guys my postpartum must-haves that I pretty much had with all of my kids. So I'm going to start off first with these underwear, pat underwears. I think that's what they are. I've seen other moms saying, how these come in handy, how it's much better than having to wear a pad in your underwear, that these absorb. And if you've had a baby, you know that things can get messy the first couple of days or weeks. So I want to try these out, and hopefully they're great, because I don't have to be changing out underwears and pads. So the other thing I wanted to share with you guys, I guess I'll go ahead and share with you guys this Frida Mom. I've never tried this, but these are also postpartum underwears. Sorry for the lighting in the back, but I have my blinds open, and I've never tried these, so I'm excited to try them. But these are different from the other ones, so if I run out of those, I have these as backup. And these feel kind of like the hospital underwear, is a little bit thicker, but they are kind of like short styles. So I'm kind of excited to try this, because I can also recommend and share with other new moms, or moms who were like me, unaware of these items. And these are new items for me in this pregnancy. So this band is the one that I'm going to be using again for this pregnancy. I really like it because it's breathable. You can adjust it to how comfortable you can have it. So I definitely recommend one of these type of belly bands when you first leave the hospital, the first couple of days, until the swelling goes down enough for you to put on a faja. But this is the one that I've used in the past with my other children. I've just used like a compression shorts, and or a receiving blanket, swaddle blanket, because I didn't have that. So the first couple of days, that's what I would use, or my mom would wrap me with. And then once the swelling went away, I would put on my faja. The other thing I'll be using that I've used in my last pregnancy is going to be this shrink hips band. I also like this because, again, you can adjust it to how tight you want it, and it is Velcro, so it stays, you know, wherever you put it, it stays. At least for me, that's been my experience. I really like it. Again, with my other pregnancies, I did not have this, so I would use a receiving blanket. My mom would tie it up so hard. So now that I've came across this, I definitely recommend one of these. And now moving on to the faja that I'm going to be using. It's going to be this one. You can see, sorry about the glare. Again, this is what I'm going to use after the swelling has gone down. It's going to be a vest style faja. And again, once all the swelling has gone down, I'm going to be using this one, and I did get the 3 section one, so as I'm slimming down, you know, I can downsize as well. The other thing I got, and this is going to be new for me, is the board for the faja. So it is Velcro as well, but it has like this hardboard here that will also help compress, hold the belly in place, and you can wrap it around with the Velcro and then put your faja on top. Now for the exciting one that I wanted to show you guys is the Frida Mom Labor and Delivery Postpartum Kit. So I'm super excited. I've been seeing a lot of moms, you know, talk about it, how handy and all of that good stuff. So I wanted to unbox it on here with you guys and just show what all comes in here. Now, if you do get this on their website or online, it is about $99, but I didn't know Bye Bye Baby has them, and I added to my Bye Bye Baby registry, and after having your registry open for a couple months, Bye Bye Baby gives you like a 15 or 20% discount. So I got it for $89, maybe $89.99. So I got $10 off. So the first thing you see when you open it is this little card that talks about getting ready. I guess it just shows instructions on what to do first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So I'll be reading that away from the camera. And then pulling this out on top, it says the gown for when it goes down. And I'm sorry again, you guys, everything is backwards since I'm using my front facing camera. But in here I have what are some non-slip socks, and this is what I'm going to be taking to the hospital. I wanted to do a what's in my hospital bag, but being my 6th baby around, I'm really not taking much. So I don't know if you guys want to see that, let me know. If not, you know, my next video will probably be labor and delivery vlog. But got some socks, and then we got this gown here, which is perfect. I like this gown because it does have where you can open it in the back, and then you can also, since I am planning on nursing, you know, I can take this out like that and buckle it back up if needed. The hospital gowns, you know, they're just open, wide open in the back, and I want something that covers my back. So I really like this one, so I'm definitely taking this to the hospital with me as well. And then next we have this little kit, which I think it's amazing. I won't be taking this to the hospital with me. This will be staying at home, but it's nice that it's in its own little bag. So if I'm in one restroom and I need, you know, my husband to grab it, he can just, you know, get the whole thing. But here we have a healing foam cooling pain relief foam. Again, sorry about the glare. And then we have some pad liners, cooling. I don't know if they're wipes. It says liner. So this is this. And then we have the little bottle. It says, trust us, your vagina will thank you. So cute. So this is what this one looks like. I think I'm gonna like this one better than the one that's given in the hospital, just because you don't have to put your whole hand in the toilet when cleaning. You can literally just squirt the water out and it will hit the spot. So the other thing in here we have is 4 regular boy shorts briefs, which are the gray ones that I showed you guys. So it just brings some extra in here. I did buy it separate, by the way. It didn't come with the kit. So what I'm showing you is what you get for the $99.99 price. And then the other thing I have here that comes in here are some instant cold therapy pads. So again, if you've given birth before, the hospital does give ice packs to take home, but I think this is really great in case they don't give you enough. You just have these handy, and this does bring 4 of them, so that's really good. I just hope they work, because sometimes they don't pop and they don't get cold, so I hope these work just fine. But yeah, that's all that comes in this Frida Mom postpartum kit. I think it's really great just from seeing what comes in it, and it's gonna be worth it. So making sure I don't miss anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will give you guys a little belly shot so you guys can see the belly. Ooh, I am 36 weeks pregnant. So here's what I look like with my shirt, and then here's the baby. I feel like I have dropped, my belly has dropped, but I don't know, maybe it's just me. The other thing I wanted to share with you guys is my baby's crib section. We did get the crib as a gift, so there's no mattress, there's no bedding, anything on there. But let me show you guys. Okay, so as I mentioned, it was a gift, so we weren't planning on getting a crib yet for the baby until he was a little bit older, but we're thankful we got the crib as a gift. And then I didn't know what to put on here. I do want to get a little sticker with the baby's name on it. We don't know the name yet, but hopefully soon, of course, he will have a name. But all I did was put these little stickers from the baby shower on there, and then added these extra stickers here, and then the little hello friend in the center. Yeah, for the first months, the baby's gonna be sleeping with me. So, you know, once he starts to roll over in that, I'll probably transition him to the bed, to the crib. But for now, as I said, we weren't planning on getting a crib for him. Just for that reason that we weren't gonna have need for it yet. But of course, we're thankful that we got it gifted to us. That was really nice of the person to do. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next vlog. Bye.